Hello everybody, welcome to Miranda Detailing. So in today's video I am going to randomly draw one of our subscribers, those who have commented and wanted to win those detail guards. I have two packs, so I'm going to randomly choose. Now I'm going to use an app that randomly chooses a number. Now I had about 35 comments total, 35 people who wanted to get a pack of these detail guards, wheel guards. Now I think one or maybe two of them commented and just saying that they didn't need to enter into the drawing to be able to win, but they were just commenting. What I'll do is if they truly didn't want to enter the drawing, I will simply skip that number and not use them. But what I'm going to do is use this app called Pretty Random. Now I put in 35, here, let me focus. Now I put in 35, so 0 to 35. And what I'm going to do is you can either tap that or shake it to randomly choose a number. So that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to scroll through my YouTube app to show the comments and choose whoever it is at that number that it lands on. So let us start. So it's 0 to 35. So I'm going to press this. 27. So go to the app, starting from the top, I'm going to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we have Joseph Del Aguila, Joseph Del Aguila. So I'm going to comment and let you know that you won one of those 2 packs. So let's go back to here, randomize, 17. All right, let's start from the top and count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, looks like Enrique Gonzalez. Hope I'm pronouncing your names correctly. I apologize if I'm not. So, Enrique Gonzalez, looks like you are our winner of the other pack of detail wheel guards. So, congratulations guys. I know this is kind of a confusing way of doing it. It's the best I can think of to randomly choose. Maybe in the next ones what I'll do is I will have you subscribers choose a number between 0 and something. I'll pick that number and then randomly use that app to randomly choose that number. That way you can win. So that might be an easier way of doing it. This is my first one, so you know, we'll improve from here on out. So hope you enjoy those detail guard wheel guards, guys. I'll be reaching out to you soon. All right, have a great day.